Elon Musk has warned us all about something. This thing has left all of the scientists around the world confused. A message from aliens? A warning? What is it? Well, we'll tell you about it. Welcome to Elon Musk Center. Today, we are talking about Elon Musk's warning about a huge object in space that is sending Earth radio signals. But before we begin, why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon? With that note, let's get started. Elon Musk, along with many other scientists and astronomers, is working to unravel and solve each of the mysteries that are constantly being revealed by the universe. The Tesla billionaire recently disclosed that there is a sizable object in space that appears to be communicating with Earth via radio. This as yet unidentified item has baffled scientists and researchers as to both its presence and its capacity to communicate. What is this item, therefore, that I can radio to Earth? The universe has long been a source of awe and conjecture, as well as one of the most hotly debated subjects in the field of space exploration. Black holes and neutron stars in particular are two recent discoveries. Due to their deeper secrets and the resulting lack of knowledge about them and their presence in the cosmos, these subjects are currently the most frequently discussed ones. A neutron star was discovered by the device's examination as something strange and exciting in space, displaying odd infrared light swirls. We've got you covered if you've never heard of a neutron star. Neutron stars are simply the byproducts of explosions. You see, neutron stars are sometimes left behind after a supernova explosion, and one of these stars was reportedly discovered to have an odd feature that would confuse scientists about their discovery. Neutron stars have been found to be 1.4 times denser than the Sun. However, their diameter is barely 12.4 miles. According to sources, a teaspoon could weigh 1 billion tons at such an intense density. The fact that neutron stars can occasionally revolve at extremely fast rates and emit electromagnetic radiation like X-rays makes them even more fascinating, and pulsars are thought to belong to this group of neutron stars. Yet, testing and examinations to ascertain the nature of the neutron star that was discovered to be generating infrared light have now started. According to researchers, the study of this potential neutron star or pulsar could contribute to a better and more thorough understanding of neutron stars worldwide. Well, it's unclear whether this is accurate or not. The fact that this pulsating star is 3,300 light-years away from Earth, along with 6 other pulsars, is one item that is known to scientists. Scientists have dubbed them the Magnificent Seven because of their mysticism. These so-called Magnificent Seven stars are highly intriguing. This is primarily due to the fact that, at that density, they burn up more intensely than typical stars would. Yet, who claims that they are routine? These stars possess energy that is unique among stars. Moreover, they rotate much more slowly than other pulsars. In fact, Bettina Persone, the researcher's lead author, asserted that we had discovered a sizable region of infrared emissions surrounding this neutron star in an astrological essay published in the Astrophysical publication. This equals around 200 astronomical units in overall size. The alleged distance of this pulsar is 18 billion miles. Since nothing similar has ever occurred before, this discovery is all the more amazing and unique. Though not with such a powerful signal, infrared radiation from a pulsar has been observed. Elon Musk could only describe the discovery at this time as a weird object from space because it's so strange and unusual, while experts were still attempting to determine if the discovery was a pulsar or not. It has been discovered that this object is sending Earth some kind of radio transmission, but it has not been emitting these signals for long enough for scientists to determine whether a star or an alien is to blame. The signals flash for a minute before turning off for roughly 18 minutes, which leaves astronomers and scholars who might be perplexed by this mystery. Transients are the name given by astronomers to the kind of signal the object is delivering to Earth, but this one is what astronomers refer to as slow transient. They also send out a beam of radio waves that pass over the planet 3 times every hour, making it one of the most well-known radio emitters ever. As we've already mentioned, supernovae are just one type of transient. Despite the fact that these pulsars were neutron stars, the occasional galaxy flicker may be what is emitted by these beams. Not so sure are astronomers. Typically, pulsars flicker for a few seconds or perhaps a few milliseconds, but the entity that is transmitting these signals seems to be moving between incredibly slowly and quickly. Flicker over minutes as opposed to seconds, as most pulsars do. We're confident that you share the same curiosity that these scientists and astronomers do about just what these things actually are. The fact that everything in space spins is not new, the same as Earth is. So it's reasonable to infer that this enigmatic object is circling in space and carrying some sort of lightning that is being directly towards us. Since this is the first time a celestial structure of this shape has been discovered, it has been given the odd name J162759.5-523-504.3, which we shall just refer to as BEAM. The finding of this radio wave was made possible thanks to the researchers at the International Center for Radio Astronomy Research, or ICRA. During one of their explorations of the galaxy, they found that the beam emerged in the sky for a brief period of time and then vanished as if it never existed. The thing would then come back. After around 20 minutes of slow lighting, they emerge, peaking before disappearing into the night. Further research is being done on this enigmatic phenomenon, particularly in the Department of Electromagnetic Spectrum, as the scientists are committing to understanding the causes of this lightning. This has even prompted specialists to search through MWA files or Murchison's Wide Field Array to see if anything like this has already been discovered or not. It's possible that this is the first time that such energy has come from space, yet it's not the first time astronomers have encountered a confounding situation. Similar to the previous year, a mystery star dimmed on its own and nearly vanished from the sky. The star then gradually resumed shining normally, just like this one. This resulted in the conclusion that a brand new category of phenomenon has been discovered in the world and should be explored as such. According to the research, the object might have originated somewhere else. The researchers went on to say that this is not from a young star, but rather, maybe, from an older star cluster that is situated close to the galaxy M81. Given that it's merely an area where young stars are typically found, astronomers find this region to be a rather peculiar spot for quick radio emissions. But in a brief period of time, the sharp impact of their dazzling flash was unable to reveal more details regarding the circumstances surrounding these mysteries. The investigation will be conducted in conjunction with about 12 radio telescopes. This demonstrates emphatically how challenging the investigation process is and how much accuracy is required to capture one of these bright, swirly things swiftly. According to astronomers, that has to be more than just those old stars. This gave rise to the hypothesis that researchers may have been misdirecting their search for evidence of extraterrestrial life. In fact, some astronomers are adamant that the search for intelligent life in the early stars should continue. If only they had considered the possibility that aliens and any other types of extraterrestrial life has existed thus far, so many people. Since everyone believes it to be a fiction and not the real thing, scientists have been searching for the hundreds if not millions of stars that make up global clusters for hints. But this most recent finding might be a sign. One that implies that astronomers and scientists must take into account the possibility that something or someone exists in these old star groupings. The galaxy is home to several globular clusters, which are made up of blobs of stars that hover together like swarms of fireflies. 150 of them contain some of the oldest stars, some of which are 10 billion years old or older. In light of this, it's possible that these star-filled globes hold the answer to humanity has been looking for so long. Do you agree? Uncover new possibilities and discoveries. In addition, you never know, you might find possibly an alien. This was all for today. What are your thoughts about it? Do let us know down in the comment section below, and do let us know your alien theories down in the comments as well. We look forward to seeing you in the next one with more exciting stuff, but until then, bye bye.